Hello, boys and girls. We're going to talk about the word there using the poem New Supplies. If you can find this page in your packet, when you do, go ahead and place your name at the top. Then on the line, I would like for you to print the word there, T-H-E-R-E. Before we begin to read the poem, I'd like for you to find all the words that you know in this poem. Let's begin with the word there, T-H-E-R-E. I can find it several places in the poem. Some other words that we know from this poem would be the word are, A-R-E. It is also found 3 places in this poem. Let's take a look at some other words we might know. My, M-Y. We also know the word is, R-E-D, red, A-N-D, and, B-L-U-E, blue. Now, there's another word in this poem, N-E-W, that I notice was in the title, new. So we have new, new, new. Now, the 3 words at the end of these 3 sentences happen to be some of the supplies we use in kindergarten. I can find a small chunk in this first word, P-E-N, pen. What do you use at school that would begin with pen? Very good, boys and girls, pencils. Then I see a word that begins with a blend, G-L, goal. What do you use in school that begins with goal? Very nice, we use glue. Now this word on the third sentence, beginning with the blend SC, we have lots of S's in there. That's a harder word, might need help with it. Scissors, right. Boys and girls, we use scissors. Now, many of you may be familiar with T-H-E-Y. If not, I can help you with that. That's the word they. So let's go back and read our poem, New Supplies. There are my new pencils. There is my new glue. There are my new scissors. They are red and blue. Great job, boys and girls. We now need to illustrate this poem. And in this poem, they talked about pencils, glue, scissors, and the fact that they are red and blue. So, going to go ahead and draw and color a pencil, some glue, and a pair of scissors. Notice I used the colors red and blue in my illustration because the poem talked about my pencils, glue, and scissors being red and blue. Now let's take a look at the bottom. We need to use this word in a sentence. We're using the word there in a sentence. Remember, it does not have to be a sentence that was in our poem. Try to come up with one of your own. I'm going to go ahead and do my sentence and you can do yours. There are my yellow pants. Now, I used a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence, space between my words, but what is missing so that I know my sentence is over or complete? Very good. It is the period that's missing at the end of the sentence. Great job, boys and girls. I hope that you enjoyed completing the poem for the word there with me today. Keep working hard. Remember, what do little eagles always do? We work hard, we be nice, and we take no shortcuts.